Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'll demonstrate how to delete contacts in Telegram. First, open up your contact list. To remove a contact, go to the chat page with that person. Tap at the top to open contact details. Then tap the three dots and choose Delete Contact. A confirmation window will appear to make sure you want to remove this person. Confirm by tapping Delete. As you can see, the contact has been successfully deleted. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching and bye.